This is we normally use the Chinese traditional ink. When you use the ink, you have to first shake because the top has a glue and maintain the ink. And this is especially for Chinese ink they made from China, and it smells very good. You can try it. And long time, because they have a special material inside, so this smells very good. Also, you can use a Japanese ink called Sumi ink. I tried it and pretty good. This is the special color called marine Chinese watercolor, because those colors, pigments, made from different materials, so they are transparent. This is the 18 tubes big box color. You can get Chinatown and Jerry's Artarama, also you can get it. The brushes has 3 categories. One we call wolf hard brush, like this. This is called deer hair make it. See, that's deer hair, okay? And also they made from a wolf. See, this is the dark color. And soft brush we call the sheep hair make it. So this is the hard brush. This is a soft brush. And then people combine together. That means hard with soft combine together. So they call combination brush. That brush, you can see inside wolf a surround sheep. So this kind of brush we use a lot. Okay, normally you can use this for the basics. You can use one combination brush and one wolf brush, which means hard brush, and then one for the detail one. And detail one also is wolf, is hard brush. The bristle is a little hard. So the 3 brushes, I think for the basics class, the students, it'll be enough for the 3. But for the elementary school, you can go to Texas Art Supply just to get the brush, will be okay. They have 3 different kind of, the sizes. So you choose the bigger one and the small one, and will be okay. So why you say this is good brush and this is not good brush? How you can see which one is good? Okay, if you go to the store, check your brush. What means good brush? Look, you make a flat. This is straight, okay? And turn 90 degrees, make a flat, still straight. So this is good brush. Before we talk about the paper, we can see we have a felt on the table. So we need to talk about the felt. The felt, you can go to the fabric store. Okay, I like to recommend to use wall felt because they absorb the water and the ink. Because the paper is bleeding paper. That's called Oriental rice paper. You can go logo art store to get. For the beginner, you can use this kind of paper. You can easily tear down, and for the beginner, really good. But for the intermediate and advanced, I recommend you use a better paper. This paper we called Xuan paper, or called best Xuan. And also, this kind of paper has 2 sizes we use. This is a smooth size. This is a rough size. I recommend if you paint landscape or you feel like you're not good to control the water, and you use a rough size better because they're less bleed than the smooth size. So the smooth size we can use to like flower, orchids, insects, birds. So we can use this kind of the subjects to paint on the smooth size.